My video guide is about the danger of pop-ups that come from the website Sokjs.xyz. Sokjs.xyz is indeed a deceptive site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Sokjs.xyz tries to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions. These extensions may actually function as adware or as browser hijackers. They may change some crucial browser settings without your permission if they work as hijackers, and if they work as adware, they may display the great portion of advertisements that will keep permanently attacking your screen, and therefore you should be careful not to install any extensions through these fake alerts by Sokjs.xyz. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu More Tools, go to Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend that you additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner antivirus through this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.